Hello everyone. Today I crafted an interactive Hollywood's profitable stories dashboard on Power BI. In this dashboard, the key insights include profitability by lead studio using clustered bar chart, total films by genre using donut chart, profitability by genre using clustered bar chart, total films by year using donut chart, audience score percentage and Rotten Tomatoes percentage using scatter chart, and a area chart for total films by lead studio, and a scatter chart for worldwide gross percentage and Rotten Tomatoes percentage. Top 3 films based on profit using clustered column chart, and I used a card to display total films, which is 74, and a slicer to filter based on year. That totally 5 years. Let us filter for 2008 and 2009. Here you can see total films by year, just 12 films in 2009 and 9 films in 2008, and total films is 31. And this is how my dashboard works, and that's all about my dashboard. Thank you.